Hi, today in front of me DOOGEE V Max, and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google of Google Assistant option on this device. So first launch Google application, then tap on the right upper corner and go to the settings. Then tap to voice section and click to voice match. To activate Hey Google option, click once on the switcher, tap to next, more, yes I agree, next again, tap to not now. Now we can see that the Hey Google option successfully activated. If you want an assistant to recognize your voice, click to voice section, tap to retain voice model and say, "Okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow?" Okay Google reminds me to water my plants every Monday. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Then just tap to next, not now, and we can see that the Hey Google option successfully activated. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.